Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone, enable APK installs from unknown sources or be ready with ADB. This lets you sideload the Samsung Theme Engine port. Once done, install the Samsung Theme-compatible APK or Magisk module that provides the theme framework. Make sure the module matches your Android version. You should back up your launcher and system settings first, because theming can change layouts or permissions. After the framework is installed, reboot as required so the system recognizes the new theming engine and modules. You now open the ported Samsung Themes interface and import or sign in if needed. This provides access to theme packages. Once a theme loads, select the MTZ or compatible package and tap Apply. The ported engine swaps system icons, wallpapers, and UI accents. Make sure to adjust icon packs and fonts inside the theme settings to avoid mismatch. If your launcher blocks changes, use its theme or icon apply option. After applying, give the system a minute to render and cache new assets. Finish by rebooting your phone and checking all screens for consistent styling. This ensures theme assets fully load. If parts still show stock elements, clear the launcher and system UI caches and reapply the theme. If you encounter crashing or boot loops, remove the ported module and restore your backup, or boot into safe mode to identify a conflicting app or launcher. One key troubleshooting tip: uninstall any conflicting theme modules before reinstalling a different port. This prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.